Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best massage chairs you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The iBooMas massage chair offers a comprehensive and customizable full-body massage experience. It features an ergonomic SL track for effective coverage and zero-gravity positioning with 3 incline levels to relieve spinal stress. The chair has AI voice control, an app, an LCD remote, and shortcut keys for easy operation. A leg scan and auto-extension feature personalized leg massages, while foot rollers target acupoints for relaxation. It includes airbags for shoulders, arms, legs, feet, and ankles, plus heating for the back and legs to boost circulation. The chair offers 12 automatic programs, adjustable intensities, Bluetooth speakers, ambient lighting, and requires no assembly. The BOSSCARE 4D massage chair delivers a comprehensive relaxation experience through cutting-edge features. It includes zero-gravity recline to alleviate spinal pressure, and 4D massage technology that mimics a professional masseuse with adjustable intensity. The chair features a full-body airbag massage for compression therapy, automatic body scanning for customized care, and a heating function to soothe muscles. Additional highlights are Bluetooth connectivity for personalized soundscapes, user-friendly remote controls, foot and calf rollers for targeted relief, and a space-saving design. Its AI and app control provide easy adjustments, while the negative ion function enhances wellness by purifying the air. The Real Relax 4D massage chair provides a customizable and advanced massage experience, focusing on comfort and relaxation. It features 4D massage technology, which adjusts intensity and depth to simulate a professional massage. The SL track design follows the body's natural curvature, ensuring full coverage from neck to thighs. Zero-gravity positioning reduces spinal pressure for enhanced relaxation. It includes AI Care voice control for hands-free customization and soreness detection for personalized relief. Additional highlights are 27 auto modes, integrated heating, foot rollers, and 25 soundscapes for mental calm. Control options include voice, app, and shortcut buttons for convenience. The Human Touch CERTUS massage chair offers an advanced massage experience aimed at enhancing relaxation and wellness. Key features include zero-gravity positioning to reduce spine pressure and improve circulation, and 3-dimensional massage technology using S and L track massagers that contour to the body's natural shape. It offers 11 preset auto wellness programs for varied needs, controlled through a 7-inch touchscreen. Additional highlights are the orbital calf and foot massager, built-in Altec lancing speakers, and heating elements for lumbar and calves. Its compact design requires no wall clearance, making it versatile for different spaces. The iRest SL track massage chair offers a full-body massage experience with advanced features and ergonomic design. It uses human touch technology to simulate 5 massage techniques with adjustable speed, width, and height. Its SL track system provides comprehensive coverage from head to toe, following the spine's natural curve. The chair includes 3 zero-gravity recline levels to reduce heart pressure and improve circulation. Additional features include foot rollers, airbag compression for calves, automatic body scanning, adjustable backrest width, and built-in Bluetooth speakers for music. This combination of customizable comfort and technology provides a professional quality massage at home.